Looking for a relaxing, convenient stay in the heart of Jacksonville, North Carolina? Welcome to Comfort Suites Jacksonville, where Southern hospitality meets modern comfort. Our spacious, all-suite hotel is your perfect base. Whether you're traveling for business, a weekend getaway, or a family vacation, enjoy top-notch amenities, exceptional service, and a location that keeps you close to everything. Discover the best of Jacksonville, just minutes away. Witness power and precision at the iconic New River Air Station. Only 7 miles away, a landmark of American military strength. Just 2.5 miles from the hotel. Shop, stroll, and splurge at the bustling Jacksonville Mall, your go-to destination for fashion and fun. Pay tribute to true heroes at the moving and powerful Lejeune Memorial, a place of honor and reflection, located 5 miles away. Reconnect with nature and unwind at the serene and scenic Phillips Park, perfect for picnics and peaceful walks, only 3 miles from our doorstep. Just 2.8 miles away, step back in time at the charming Pelletier House in Wantland Spring, the city's most treasured historic gem. Sink your toes in the soft sands of Onslow Beach, a coastal paradise with stunning ocean views and relaxing vibes. Only 15 miles from the hotel. Just 13 miles away. Take a cultural journey through time at the Onslow County Museum, where fascinating exhibits come alive. Satisfy your cravings with a delicious variety of dining options, from local seafood delights to international cuisines, all within 1 to 3 miles. Whether you're here to explore, unwind, or recharge, Comfort Suites Jacksonville, NC is the perfect place to begin and end your day. Book your stay today and experience comfort, convenience, and Carolina charm. Visit us at comfortsuitesjacksonvillans.com.